So the Honor Band 5 is silently released in India just before the Mi Band 4. Now that's interesting. And being the fitness enthusiasts we here at TechWiser, the Honor Band 5 was surely intriguing. Now we all know from the leaks and rumors that the price and the design is same as that of the Honor Band 4. But there are some new changes like the SpO2 monitor to measure blood oxygen levels. So that raises two questions. Is it a worthy upgrade than the Honor Band 4? And how well does it compare with the yet to be released Mi Band 4? Well, let's find out. Hi there, this is Prateek from TechWiser.com and this is the newly released Honor Band 5. Like I said, pretty much all the features like calls, notifications, built-in activity tracker and the average 14 days of battery life exist in the Honor Band 5 as well. But I'm excited to check the new stuff, so let's unbox it. In the box, you get the Honor Band 5 and the charging cable with no adapter. The good thing is you can charge the band while it is in the strap, unlike the Mi Band 4. But I would have appreciated a built-in USB capsule. Bring it side by side with the Honor Band 4, you would be confused. The design, the strap, the display is exactly the same. But when you power it on, there's the difference. While the interface is the same, you have new fancy icons and couple of extra inbuilt activities like elliptical, rowing, etc. But you know what's new? The blood oxygen level monitor or the SpO2 monitor. But you know what's sad? It's still not there on the Indian variant. Funny thing, I found nowhere written on the Flipkart spec page and even the Honor Band 5 box. So that's something I would come back onto in the full review. Make sure you're subscribed for that. So it's not any different from the Honor Band 4, but how does it compare with the Mi Band 4? Well, you don't review fitness bands sitting here in the office, so let's move out. I took a run with both the Mi Band 4 and Honor Band 5 and here's the data side by side. To give you a perspective, we also have the Strava data. Both of them are fairly accurate side by side. So the accuracy is on point. The only deal is the Honor Band 5 has more sports activities which are nice to have, but you would do just fine with the Mi Band 4 as well. And everything else is just the same with both the bands, except the third-party apps and battery. Honor Band 5 clearly loses out on the third-party apps like Sleep as Android or Gadget Bridge. And you don't even have the option to side-load watch faces like the Mi Band 4. The reason being, Honor in the past never released the firmware to third-party app developers, and chances are they are going to continue doing the same with Honor Band 5. Also, they have promised a watch face store, but it's not there yet, and we'll see about it just like the SpO2 monitor. Like the previous gen Honor Band 4, the battery on the Honor Band 5 still supports 14-day standby, 7 days if you're using the continuous sleep monitoring with one outdoor activity a day. I would have loved an upgrade in the battery department because unlike your mobile phone, you don't put your fitness band to charge when you sleep. So, should you buy this? Currently, this is the best budget fitness band available in the Indian market. So if you want something right now, go get the Honor Band 5. But I would still recommend you to wait a little bit more until the pricing of the Mi Band 4 clears out and Huawei sheds some light on the availability of SpO2 monitor in India. Anyways, we'll be doing a detailed comparison of the best budget fitness bands, so make sure you're tuned in for that. And on that note, this is Prateek signing off. See you soon.